Now today in this experiment we are going to find out the refractive index of this glass slab using traveling microscope. Firstly, what we will do, we will mark a X mark on the surface of traveling microscope as we have marked here. Now what we will do, we will look this X mark through this microscope directly and note down the first reading. Then we will place a glass slab over this X mark. Then we will look through microscope on this mark. Your traveling microscope will shift its position upward, and then now we are having this lycopodium powder with us. Then we will sprinkle this lycopodium powder over this top surface, and then we will look at the lycopodium particles from this microscope and take the reading of the upper surface. With this we are finding the real and apparent depth of the image. Then what we will do, we will simply divide the real depth and apparent depth to find out our refractive index, right? So let's proceed. Now let's focus your microscope over this X mark directly. Now I am focusing the crosswire of my microscope with the X mark using this vertical motion screw, that this X mark will be overlapping with the crosswire. See, this type of image is obtained when we focus the microscope directly on the X mark. See, your X mark is coinciding with the crosswire of microscope. Let's note down its reading first. What will be the reading? This is the reading on your vertical scale. Now let's proceed for the next reading. Now we will place a glass slab over this X mark, and then we will focus the microscope again on the X mark. As I have placed the slab over this X mark, now we are just measuring by changing the vertical position of this microscope by using this upper movable screw. Now we have focused the X mark again through glass slab. Let's see how it is visible. Now I have obtained this image by focusing through slab. See, I have placed a slab over the X mark, and I am obtaining this image by setting its location, by setting the location of traveling microscope again. Just see, this cross mark is very clearly visible to you. Now let's proceed for the reading. What are the readings on the vertical scale? Now this is the reading on the vertical scale when you have placed a slab over the X mark and focusing the X mark from the microscope. Now proceeding for the next reading, we have to put some lycopodium powder over the surface of slab in order to identify its upper surface, in order to note down the reading for the level of upper surface. Now let's focus these particles from the microscope. Now you have to focus these lycopodium particles. We can change the vertical location of traveling microscope by using this upper screw. This is how the particles will be visible to you in the microscope placed on the top surface of glass slab. By noting this reading, you will be finding out reading of a upper surface of the slab. Let's find out. So this will be your reading R3. Students, now we have observed the readings. I have observed the very first reading when I have just focused the X mark using microscope, name that be R1. Now again for the second reading, when I was focusing on the X mark using glass slab, name that reading be R2. And now the third reading which I have taken of the upper surface of glass slab using lycopodium powder, name that be R3. Now let's proceed for the calculations. In order to complete our experiment, we need to complete this table and have to do some calculations. So let's proceed. These are the readings observed when I have performed the experiment. Now I have repeated the same experiment 2 times more by changing the location of glass slab. We will obtain 3 different values for refractive index as you are watching in the table. Now we will take simply the mean of all these 3 refractive index in order to find the refractive index of slab. Hence we get our result. I hope the whole experiment is clear to you and you all have enjoyed the video. For any feedback and query, please refer to comment section. Keep supporting us by liking our videos and sharing our content. Do subscribe the channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon. See you again students in the next video with a new experiment. God bless you all.